How's it going, everyone? I'm Jason, and welcome to the Review Suite. RollingSquare is back with a new set of all-in-one cables. This is the inCharge 6 and 6 Max. These cables offer a variety of charge and sync options for your smart devices. Let's take a look at these cables and learn why you want to add these to your everyday carry. The inCharge 6 is the latest version in the inCharge line. These cables are 1 inch in length and can magnetically loop to your keyring. The inCharge 6 is also 6 cables in one. There's USB to USB Type-C, dual, USB to Lightning to micro USB, there's USB to USB Type-C, and then there's Type-C to dual, Lightning to micro USB. With the inCharge 6 Max, you get the same features as the original, but with 5 feet of cable. Here's a few examples on how you can use these cables on a daily basis. So listen, do yourself a favor and go out and buy the inCharge 6 or 6 Max, or maybe even both. You don't want to waste your money buying cheap cables, and with these, you're certainly going to have something for the long run. Remember, with these cables, you can charge and sync, and they are built to last. But that's going to do it for this video. Shout out to RollingSquare for sending us these samples to review. We greatly appreciate it. And of course, if you want to see more content just like this, subscribe to the Review Suite. I'm Jason, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one.